Thank you for listening. Forerunner Technologies is a 28-year-old technology corporation built upon relationships, internal relationships and external relationships with our long-term trusted clients. Okay? A solid reputation in the UC space, Unified Communications, has allowed us to transcend with the industry. As the technologies have shifted and changed, Forerunner has been able to continually add the talent necessary to migrate with your business. As infrastructure and unified communication applications or voice applications moved into the IP space, what did we do? We moved those voice applications onto fault-tolerant servers utilizing VM-ware and created private cloud environments. As voice applications shifted into cloud, we were able to provide a new cloud solution or a private cloud solution based upon premise equipment. Once we moved into the data center and took these voice applications and expanded them within your infrastructure, we started to learn about servers, storage, PoE switches, routing, bandwidth, MPLS networks. This transition in the industry allowed Forerunner to now expand in your data center environment. So it makes sense today that as our business continues to grow with our clients' needs, that this background has allowed us to be a leader in the industry. By being experts in infrastructure, and then the voice applications, then VMware and virtualization, and the data infrastructure environment, that led us to the first emerging technology called SDN, or software-defined networking. Forerunner is the leader in the industry for deploying SDN in the core of a data infrastructure. And that began by isolating and securing the voice networks. The SDN application allows us to isolate and separate and secure many layers within the data infrastructure while easily managing them through a GUI interface in the SDN controller. The next layer for Forerunner was physical security. As the expansion of IP cameras and security in the physical security layer began to expand, we incorporated biometrics and facial recognition into the application. So Forerunner is an exclusive partner in the industry and the global leader with NEC, deploying facial recognition technologies. Whether it's access control, whether it's crowd control, whether it's a VIP list or even a blacklist, facial recognition is a huge emerging technology in the industry. So by becoming an expert in things like SDN and facial recognitions, it also enabled us to become an expert in software-defined WANs. Okay? By utilizing application fabric software, we can eliminate the routers at the edge, reduce operating expense and your bandwidth requirements in the remote locations, and increase efficiencies throughout your infrastructure. Layering in cybersecurity software to oversee these layers in your SDN core has put Forerunner in a leadership role in the industry. So from UC all the way to managed care services, let Forerunner be a partner. So of course, I'm just touching the surface on these technologies and the emerging technologies. So if you'd like a deeper dive into any one of these topics, please feel free to leave comments below. We thank you for the opportunity to speak. And of course, we look forward to more thought leadership from Forerunner Technologies. Thank you very much.